Hey, this is just a really quick video, real short update. I got the grill cloth in, and that really makes a difference, doesn't it? The black and the gold, that looks great. It's the original style of cloth. Yeah, I really love it. So I'm gonna maybe put another coat of wax on this, and then just put a sheet over it for the winter time. Because then after that, that's the fishing bowl. Got all the parts, capacitors, resistors, schematic. That'll be next. That'll be the next thing to start working on, but it might be over, might start in November, maybe December, but yeah, this might be over the winter project. But it plays, that's a good start, but I need lots and lots of parts. Need a new pointer, need a lot of these little push and pull things, so it needs a lot of little parts. But it works. That's the best part. But right now, I'm just excited about the way this cabinet came out. That is a lot better than I ever imagined. All right, just a real quick update, and y'all have a great day. All right, bye-bye.